AI covers are officially the biggest trend on YouTube right now, and creators like Late Night Melodies are turning AI vocals into hundreds of dollars every month. The best part? You can create AI cover songs like this completely for free using Grok and Sonauto.
Because I wanna see people and I wanna see life driving in your car. Well, please don't drive me home, because it's not my home, it's their home.
So in this video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process to create viral AI cover songs the easiest way possible. You'll find links to all the resources and prompts used here in the description below. Start by searching on YouTube to pick a song. The key here is to go with something well-known and timeless. Those are the tracks that carry the most viral potential because people already have an emotional connection to them. Then decide on a new style or genre to reimagine it in. That combination, a familiar song in an unexpected style, is what makes these covers stand out. For this video, we're taking There Is a Light That Never Goes Out by The Smiths,
Take me out tonight.
and turning it into a pop-rock, melancholic rap. To get the lyrics, Grok is your best option for this step. Head over to Grok and in the prompt box, type, "Write me the full song lyrics for There Is a Light That Never Goes Out by The Smiths." Place the lyrics inside of a code frame. Replace the song name and artist in this prompt based on your research from the last step. The code frame keeps the lyrics clean and easy to copy without any extra formatting getting in the way. Once you have the lyrics, paste them into a Google Doc or Notion page so they're ready to use in the next step. For this, we're using Sonauto. It's completely free and unlimited, but what really sets it apart is the deep custom lyric features that give you far more control over your output than most AI music tools. On top of that, Sonauto has significantly fewer IP guardrails than tools like Suno AI, making it a much more flexible playground for unique AI music projects. Now let's get into it. Head over to the Sonauto website and navigate to the Music Generation section. Select Advanced to unlock the full range of controls. From there, choose Custom Lyrics and paste in your lyrics. Then, move to the Sound section. This is where you define the new identity of the song. Type in the style and genre tags you want. For our version, we're using melancholic, pop rock, and rap. Hit Generate. Sonauto will produce two variations for you. Listen to both, pick the stronger one, and download it. What Sonauto is doing here is creating a completely new musical arrangement, taking the lyrics and rebuilding everything around them in a different genre and style. That's the key distinction. You're not reproducing the original song, you're reimagining it, which is what keeps you clear of copyright issues. Now, let's create the cover art. Start by doing a quick Google search for a high-quality photo of your original artist. You'll be uploading this as a reference, so the clearer the image, the better. Head over to Google Gemini and open the image generation section. Select Nano Banana 2 as your model. Upload the artist's photo, then use this prompt formula. Once you're happy with the result, download it straight away. Now that you have your audio file and cover art ready, it's time to bring them together into a video.
Because I wanna see people and I wanna see life driving in your car.
Open Canva and create a custom design. Set the dimensions to 1080 by 1080 and upload both your cover art image and your audio file. Place the cover art onto the design. Right-click on it and set it as the background. This keeps the image perfectly centered and removes any black borders around the edges. Next, head to the timeline at the bottom and drag your audio file in. Extend it all the way to the end of the track. Then, sync your cover art to match the audio length by dragging the right edge of the page in the timeline until it lines up with the end of the audio. This ensures the image stays on screen for the full duration of the song. From there, add a text box with whatever details you want, song title, artist name, or a tagline. Pick a font and color that blends naturally with the cover art. You can also add an audio wave animation if you want to give it a bit more visual movement. When everything looks good, click Files and download it as an MP4. So there you have it.
Because I wanna see people and I wanna see life driving in your car.
A simple workflow to create viral AI cover songs for free. Follow the prompts and resources in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And to turn your AI cover song into a full music video, watch this video next.